seriously sucks. I don't know why I'm so nervous trying to do this. I feel tense. Let's try this again.
Yeah.
So today I want to film a look, but I'm not sure what I want to do. So we're just gonna roll with it and see what look I come up with. But I feel like I should do something maybe like smoky, like a smoky look. I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. So to start off this look, oh my god, I cannot do this. Okay, to start off this look, I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics pomade, and I got this online because a lot of my beauty products are BH Cosmetics, but I am going to do a drugstore makeup look for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Personally, I feel that a pomade is way better to shape your brow, but that's just my opinion. I'm going to be using this to prime my face. It's actually the first time that I am using it, so next I'm going to be cleaning under my eye area, and I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this concealer, and it's by Wet n Wild, and oh my god, this concealer, I actually didn't expect it to be such a pigmented concealer, especially considering it was from a drugstore and it was really cheap. I think it was 79 rand, and this is seriously good concealer. So if you're really looking for an affordable concealer, definitely do try out the Wet n Wild concealer, because I love this concealer. It's literally the only concealer that I use. Picking up my favorite Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade, which is picking up this brown shade. Oh, this is my Morphe 350 palette, by the way. I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm picking up my BH Cosmetics palette. This is the first edition 120 color eyeshadow palette, and I absolutely love this palette because it literally has every color you can think of. Let me show you guys. So that is all the colors, and it also opens up to more shades. the black shade, which is this one right here. So I'm going to pick up this dark pink shade here, and I'm going to apply that on my eyelid. I'm going to pick up the same black shade, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. To highlight, I'm going to be using my NYX brow pencil, and I absolutely love this pencil. Like, I can't explain it. This is literally the best brow pencil that I've used to highlight. And now finally moving on to face, I'm going to pick up my favorite palette, and this is the Graftobian HD Glamour Cream Foundation. And these are the colors. As you can see, I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so perfect to have in your makeup kit because it has a lot of warm tones and the coverage is absolutely flawless. I did do a review on this palette before, but I was having some issues with my lighting and my camera settings, so the whole video looked extremely ashy. So I'm hoping this time around we won't have that issue, as I do have better lighting now and a new camera as well. What I'm going to be using is, which one is it? I think I'm going to be picking up the color 30352, and it's called Golden Sunset, and this is from the Warm palette. So you can also get these shades individually. If you guys are interested in getting any Graftobian products, I actually initially got this off Amazon, but I know there is Graftobian Makeup South Africa. They do have a website, however the online page for shopping does not seem to work. But if you email them, they will send you a product listing of all the products that they have with the pricing, and you can definitely purchase your Graftobian. So I'm just going to paint this all over my face. I don't use this palette as much as I love this foundation. I don't grab this palette in a hurry because it's a very expensive palette. So I tend to only use this palette for my clients, and it's also perfect because it has all the shades in them. So yeah, okay, so I'm just going to put that amount on my face for now. A little does go a long way with this palette, and that's one thing that I absolutely love about it. And at the same time, it's completely lightweight and gives me the perfect coverage ever. If you want that perfect full coverage, but yet you don't want it to sit too heavy on your face, because usually a lot of full coverage foundations tend to feel very heavy on the skin. This is extremely lightweight and completely breathable foundation. To highlight under my eye, I'm going to pick up my Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm just going to put a little under my eye because I don't have a lot of bags or dark circles. To set everything in, I'm going to be picking up my Graftobian setting powder. I'm going to lightly contour using my Smashbox contour palette. To highlight, I'm picking up my Kali Bible palette, this pink shade here. The product that I wanted to try out is the new, well, it's not new, but it's new to me. It's the Away We Glow NYX. I'm just going to be using this as like a highlighter, but I'm not sure how it's gonna look, so I'm just going to test some on my brush just to make sure I get what I want. Oh wow, oh my god, you guys, look at that pigment. I'm not sure if you can see, like, this is insane. If you can see that pigment, like, that is completely insane. And I literally put, oh my god, this is, oh my god. But it does blend in really, really well. It seriously blends in really well. So I'm just gonna, I think I'm just going to put a bit on my hand, and then I'm going to blend this into my cheekbones. I'm just gonna add a dot. Shit, I think I put too much. I put too much. So I'm just going to dab some away. Put a lot. So I'm trying to make it go away, but it's so pigmented. But I eventually made some progress. Like, oh my god, you guys, this NYX Glow Away, it's amazing. This is in the shade Untamed something. Actually, if you have a warmer tone complexion like I do, I think this shade right here is the perfect shade to blend in with your foundation or a face cream, or even use it as a highlighter. So I think this is perfect. Like, I'm absolutely in love. For lips, I'm picking up my NYX Lingerie Gloss. And this is in the shade Euro Trash. And to finish off the look, I'm going to be using my Skindiniva. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial.